Hi children, welcome back to the maths class. So I'm here again back with a new problem of trigonometry. Okay, it's from the textbook children. Like you find the same sum similarly for state board and central board together. So it looks like a theorem, but let us see in detail how really we are going to prove it out. Okay, yes. So I hope all the previous videos of trigonometry are helping you in order to practice right from the beginning of your academic year. So I wish all of you all the best to have your 10th. So plan it in such a way and make your results very successful and good. Okay. Yes, getting back into the video, let us learn today's question. What is today's question given on the board is, in triangle ABC and in triangle XYZ, if angle A and angle X are acute angles. What do you mean by acute angles? So if there is a full stop, I am going to stop there. Why? Because acute angles, you have to analyze each and everything. So there are two triangles given, which is called ABC and the other one is XYZ. In the two triangles, angle A and angle X, particularly they told these two angles are acute angles. Acute means angles which are less than 90. So this kind of things you have already learnt in your primary sections. Yes or no? Yes. So angle A and angle X are acute angles such that cos A is equals to cos X. See, they have related these triangles with the trigonometric ratios. So cos A is equals to cos X. See, from geometry, from angles, they came back to trigonometric ratios. So cos A is equals to cos X. Then show that angle A is equals to angle X. Yes, first and foremost you have to draw the two triangles which are given to you. So I'm going to draw the two triangles which are given to me. Yes, so now see ABC. So let me make it as A, B and C, and this one as X, Y and Z. Okay, yes, there are two triangles now. So what they have given us, that means what is given in the question is, what is given in the question for us? The two triangles are given and angle A and angle X are acute angles. Acute angles. Okay. Is that clear? Yes. So angle A and angle X are acute angles means you have to mention that. What is an angle? Yes. Less than 90 degrees. Okay, this is how you mention. So as you mention like this, you will be clear of your concept, and the person who is correcting your paper will be apt. That means he'll be up to his thing, that you know the concepts very well. Okay, so now the next one is given as cos A. Cos A is equals to cos X. This is given in the trigonometric ratios. Yes or no? Yes. So now this trigonometric ratios, what you have to do is, children, look here properly. So cos A is equals to cos X. Now write cos value from the given triangles. So what is cos A here? Means I have to interchange the angles. So let me write A here and C here and X here and Z here. Okay, we are asking about cos A. Cos A means, what is the cos A here? Adjacent by hypotenuse, that is BA by CA. Is that clear, children? BA by CA is equal to cos X. From here cos X. How will you write the cos X? Yes, yes, cos X, how will you write? Tell me the cos X. So adjacent, same thing, XY by XZ. So these are the trigonometric ratios which we have taken from the given triangles. Now after taking them, you can write this constant. That means I can write this. Can I write or not? You tell me. BA is equal to XY, no? So BA by XY is equals to CA by XZ is equals to K. So this is a constant, say. Okay, you may wonder, why did I write such kind of thing? Why? Because, listen here. See, these ratios are taken from trigonometry. That means cos A is equals to cos X. But see here, when you write things like this, BA is always equal to XY and CA is always equal to XZ. So what did I did? I made them into ratios. See, BA by XY is equals to CA by XZ is equals to a constant K. Is that clear? Yes or no? Yes. Now after writing this, you have to find the third side of the triangle. What is the third side? What is not here? Yes, see, AB is there and BC is not there, only CA is there. Now let us take BC. If you take BC, and what is the other side which is not taken for the other triangle? Yes, what is the other side? YZ. Yes or no? YZ. Now if you take this, write what is BC? What is BC? According to Pythagoras theorem, BC is equal to, that means actually BC square I should write. Okay, instead of that square I am writing square root. So BC is equals to AC square minus BA square. Yes or no? Yes, yes. AC square minus BA square by YZ. YZ is equals to root of XZ square minus XY square. So did you understand this, children? This line is written according to the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, according to the Pythagoras theorem. So YZ is equals to XZ, that is hypotenuse square minus adjacent square, XY square. Okay, is that clear now? Yes, sir. Now what you should do is, look here everyone, see, as I told that this is, now can I write one step here? BA is equals to KXY. BA is equals to KXY. Okay, and next I can write another step which is called CA or AC. AC or CA, anything is the same, children. So CA or AC is equals to KXZ. CA or AC is equals to KXZ. Now I need to apply this in this. Look here. Now where will you apply? AC or CA is the same, I told. So KXZ whole square. That's what is there. Yes or no? Minus BA means what? KXY whole square by root of XZ whole square minus XY whole square. So from the numerator I am going to take K square out common. So if you take K square out common, what will happen? If you take K square out of the root, you will get only K. Yes or no? Yes. So K into root of XZ square minus XY square by root of XZ square minus XY square. So this and this will get cancelled. Ultimately, there is a thing, BC by YZ is equals to K. That is what is proved here. So already what did we do? BA by XY is equal to CA by XY is equal to K. This is also equal to K and this is also equal to K. So from this equation 1 and from this equation 2, we are going to write, what we are going to write from equation 1 and 2, BA by XY is equals to CA by XZ is equals to BC by YZ is equals to constant K. All the three sides are equal to the constant. Yes or no? So they are equal to the constant. See, if the sides of the two triangles, that means if the three sides of them are equal, it means that, you know that we have read about the congruence rules of the triangles. So if the three sides are equal, so accordingly what we can prove, the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ. Yes or no, children? Do you agree with me? Yes, because the three sides, see, BA is equal to XY, BC is equal to YZ, CA is equal to XZ. So these three are equal to constant. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. So if they are congruent, that means therefore I can tell angle A, if they are congruent in the sense all the other angles are also equal now. Yes or no? Yes. So angle A is equal to angle X, which is proved. So did you understand the theme, children, here? Did you understand why? How did I prove that angle A equal to angle X? I took two triangles and I wrote what is given here, wrote the trigonometric ratios and changed a little bit of the trigonometric ratios into the congruent sides. That means as I am comparing two triangles, I wrote BA by XY. Okay, and you know, however, when we write like this, BA is equal to XY, CA will be equal to xz, yes or no? So that is why I wrote them in this way. BA by xy is equal to CA by xz is equals to, say, suppose a constant. And then from here I derived BA is equal to kxy and CA is equals to kxz. And after that I took the third side, which is not at all taken here. See, CA is taken and BA is taken. CA is taken and BA is taken. Only BC is not taken. So BC by, what is the third side in the other triangle? YZ. So take this side also. So BC by YZ is equals to, let us write them according to the Pythagoras theorem. So root of AC square minus BA square by root of xz square minus xy square. That equals to root of, as we have derived the lines here, yes or no? So I applied them here and I wrote it. So I took k square constant from both of them in the numerator. Numerator and denominator got cancelled, and BC, that means BC by YZ, which is taken, is also equal to the constant. So you know that if one thing is equal to constant and other thing is equal to constant, both the things are equal to each other. Yes or no? Yes, sir. You have learnt all these in the postulates. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. So BC by YZ equal to K. Therefore, all the three sides of the triangle are equal. That means they are equal to the constant. Therefore, if the three sides are equal, according to the congruence rule of a triangle, if the three sides, congruent sides are equal, that means both the triangles are congruent. That means all the other parts, other angles, everything are equal. Okay. So in that way, as they are congruent, I can simply write that angle A is equals to angle X, because there are the corresponding angles here. Yes or no? I am not taking a reverse angle somewhere, but there are corresponding angles here. That is the reason why we can write, you used to write in the congruence rules, when it is once proved as a congruent triangles, you will be writing by CPCT, that is congruent parts of the corresponding parts of the congruent triangles are equal. So using that, you will be writing that the others are also equal. So in the similar manner, I have wrote angle A equals to angle X. See, in trigonometry, even geometry is included, and see, that is the reason why, children, maths is a very, very important subject, where you should show your interest in pin to pin each and every concept right from your primary. Why? Because you will never be left with any of the concept. So some or the other way you will be getting the concept. Okay, so try to understand the concept. Don't by heart it. Don't get addicted to the raw type of learning to just by heart the theorems or write. Understand the theorem so that you can apply it when any questions based on the theorems are given for you in the examinations or any other where, you will be able to use your brain how to apply that concept there. Okay, so this is what is my challenge towards the students actually. That is the reason why each and every question which is brought back to me, I am answering in the form of videos and clarifying their doubts until the roots. Is that clear, children? Okay, so thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.